Awkwafina has now become a millionaire thanks to her extraordinary comedy skills. Her net worth has reached a whopping $8 million, making her a multi-millionaire. So, how does the comedy icon spend her millions? And what expensive luxuries does she own? You're about to find out. A perfect portfolio is a must for all multimillionaires, and Awkwafina has bought not just one, but two lovely mansions for herself. One of these mansions is located in West Hollywood, which is worth $2.27 million, and the other one is located in Bel Air, Los Angeles, that costs around $3.5 million. Later on in our video, we're going to explore the lavish interior and amazing features of her homes. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. We are back with another hot topic, and in today's video, we are going to discuss the millionaire lifestyle of Awkwafina. So make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Awkwafina is known for her comedy, and while it takes her just moments to make people laugh, did you know her origins are tinged with sadness? Her mother died when she was just 4 years old. According to People magazine, she has had the passion to make people laugh since her childhood. She wrote, "So I tried to do this sideshow of, hey, let me make you laugh. I needed people to feel joy. That's how all this began. I was the class clown all the way." Awkwafina is both Chinese and Korean, as her father is from China and her mother is from Korea. The stage name Awkwafina is something she chose for herself when she was just 16 years old. She started her career in music, and then she was casted in various Hollywood movies. She was also the host for the Saturday Night Show after her huge success in Jumanji: The Next Level. Apart from that, she acted in some amazing blockbuster films like Raya and the Lost Dragon and Shang-Chi and the Legend of the Ten Rings. In early 2020, Awkwafina co-created the Comedy Central series Awkwafina is Nora from Queens. She wrote and executive produced the show herself. Now, let's talk about her spending and her amazing luxuries, so make sure you watch until the end of the video to find out all the details. Even though she has millions now, Awkwafina says that she used to spend much less on a regular basis. She once stated, "I went into this mode of, if I can make $500 a month, that's all I need because that's how much my rent was at the time." However, she has also spent a lot of money on new expensive branded clothes and an expensive car, and a source claimed that, even though she was careful with money on the way up, she's got a big taste for the extravagant now, splurging on everything from clothes to a pricey ride. There are no further details about her minor spending habits, but let's talk about what you've been waiting for, her super luxurious mansion. The actress first purchased her law-style WeHo condo in October 2019, and at that time she bought it for just $2.4 million. Now the house is worth more than $3.5 million. Architect Richard Dodson designed this exquisite residence, and it is set amid a grassy hillside with many towering trees and a landscape similar to parks. The house is built on more than 3,500 square feet. There are 4 luxurious suites and 4 bathrooms inside the home. There are also guest rooms and staff rooms for the house workers. The architect explained the amazing features of the house, saying, "An orange-hued front door with a side window opens into a 2-story entryway that flows into an open-concept layout rife with sliding glass doors and windows. Highlights here include a spacious living room with built-in floor-to-ceiling bookshelves and a glossy fireplace topped by a TV, a dining area and chef's kitchen equipped with Viking appliances. It has to be one of my favorite houses I've ever sold." Awkwafina also says that her life is much better than before, and she is enjoying the best moments of her life. That's all for today, guys. What do you think about the millionaire lifestyle of Awkwafina? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.